Anishinaabemowin. Nimaba, barbadolin.com. Anishinaabemowin. Nimaba, barbadolin.com. Nimaba, barbadolin.com. Anishinaabemowin. Nimaba.com. Anishinaabemowin. Nimaba, barbadolin.com. Anishinaabemowin. Nimaba.
Beautiful. Okay. How?
Anishinaabemowin.
So,
Nimaba.
beautiful. Good to go. All right. St. Marie. And I am absolutely honored to be you just around the corner. James, want to wave? There's you just around the corner. James, want to wave? There's James. So if you just peek around that corner, there's for our elders in the back area. There in the videos, we will have a nice, beautiful lunch together and celebrate together. And finally, as you did come in, this beautiful initiative is a beautiful venue. Want to acknowledge all of our knowledge keepers that everybody came here safe. And we're going to celebrate a beautiful day. I would like to just give her some acknowledgement. She is the one that takes care of all of the language into the newer generation and a lot of our younger ones.
Yeah, miigwech, Jonathan. Recently my work allowed me to come back up, and she'll say, I can't do this look, right? But, when we started doing, time from a lot of people that have joined together to really for the assistance with the production of the videos. So my mom traveled down, she went down there a couple times to do a lot of the recordings, and a lot of get this event going to SKG for the facility and the employee names. So miigwech to our team that I joked or threatened to release them last that will be produced. So miigwech, and thank you all for sharing and joining us.
Watching first, as well as Glenn Hare, though. Oh, there they are, Annie. Glenn Hare, though. Oh, there they are, Annie. All of our guests here in attendance, as well as virtually. I see a lot of beautiful faces in the audience in our Anishinaabemowin language, incorporated into all aspects of what our president here, Mary Wabino. She does send her warmest regrets. She is unable to make it here, but does send her love.
Make a little bit of a blooper, but I'll do my best. It's nice to hear and see the importance and how we've been able to make this such a priority, and you being here is a big part of how we perceive when we, and that legacy really includes some core. I've known Barb all my adult life, even as a child as I could, but she shared so many insights around as well. Those beautiful insights, not only see them, but share them. They asked me to help out in the role as chair. That's captured within this space here. And I want to say welcome, and thank you for honoring us with this beautiful experience for you today as well. And we're guided by spirit and all that medicine out there. We do our best to make this a warm place. Short few years, we'll have the ability to provide diplomas as an accredited post. So miigwech bijayan, thank you for all coming here today, and thank you, Barb, for all your work. It's a
and I absolutely love it. But this morning I was feeling very, very anxious. And then I remember what my dad told me. He's like, when you're feeling that anxious, acknowledgements over to our team here at SKG. I also wanted to acknowledge our wonderful director of operation.
Ketgon Zibi Ojaba Ojibwe, and 14 years old. We're very fortunate to continue moving forward, including Batchwana, including former leaders, Glenn Hare, Pat Madobby, that are to the best of our, when I'm at these meetings, therefore we are today. So miigwech, miigwech, miigwech.
Boy. Oh, look at that vest. Oh, look at that vest.
Knowledge prepared some stuff with the help of a colleague. So children's videos that strive to preserve and promote our original language. Barb has worked over 10 years on special place. That I say miigwech, Barb. I would like to welcome all miigwech and all the best. Okay, thank you.
Seen earlier, we do have some special guests.
Involved in this project. We have Anishinaabemowin, it goes to the heart of who we are, and she has been really from an Anishinaabe perspective, and you know, it's so important compared to the beautiful, just gain traction on bringing the language back. You know, this position of language commissioner, resources to put more effort. So again, super fab.
That screen, holy Jesus. Much so it's a clip on. So, of these videos for our region. Oh, look at that. Ani.
Get Sizik of Igresh Kugong, Toronto Arctic Premier, Prime Minister, Gay no Nigan Zin, Momandan Nishnabewin, Martin Gonjanike, Gino. Insights that I wanna we've come a long ways, and we gotta stay on top of that, because you know the French understand it, but these goal markers were set that we don't use the word school. That's what we use, where it's a learning place. So if somebody comes in and gets up, we want to see we can still, as I said, Jimmy West, million miigwechs. I know we all got good.
We could dong then not this chicken to work with me. I said as long as this cheater Bitmoji is that little, and it didn't click in, eh? But as time went on outside, and I said, "Stand up, Tom, so we can see you." My son here today to witness this. This would not be in November. I was invited to Kedjwanong to do a workshop on YouTube channel. And so he showed me an example. You could sit down if you want. Anyway, so he started talking about that, and I looked at Nani Bunigegi. That is Gish Kondak, and he took care of the lighting. Visionary kids there, okay? So I was visionary kids there, okay? So I would be swimming in the water, underneath the water. I said with him, and I'm sure we're going to have more fun as we work on more videos. So right now he's got another 10 to work on. He's got to make the animals move and all that sort of stuff. So that's his job. Bye-bye. When I leave, you know, because my job would have turned myself off.
10 videos that we will. So we're going to say Anish P when I'm just going to say Weeba soon.
Way back over and then I way back over and then I adopt kids, see? They come under my wing. They're last name struck a memory here that I actually met his grandmother, who was originally from Wiki. She accepted to become a doctor with the Northern Ontario School of Medicine. So I congratulate you, Peter. Videos. And let the child within you come out and enjoy these videos. And when you go home, I just looked over there. Stop, I was going like this. During the video is about the animals.
attack when is in that chair when is in your chair u kan ga mo ja mi ek dat ko mi ek dat ko when is gabe eat ote u kan ga mo when is ek dat to pakakwen ga mo Mastanish. Kita minuatas Mastanish. Bah, kita gili Mastanish. Lukanda mekian. Hoa, 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 hoa. Baba, kina kuchi baba. Chikete mitom. Lukanda mekian.
Ay-ay-yo. So I put the Anishinaabe ho 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 to it, eh, Tori? Then he still has to do the rest of the work.
Papa at Barbara_Nolan. Boshon. Megwin Tigwaka. Neon God Chapek. Moose. Wash cash. Idas måste. Mokwa. Atap dita. Iska. Keduntua. Mainkan. Kush. We tukudintan. Tigos. Machi do nota. Go. Miguel enuetua. Aha, now pizzera. Ega. Aha, now pizzera. Ega. Chegna, chwe make a sa. Point out was sewa. Make a gawk. Optum to talk out. I'm going sick. Chima was a pew. She gawk. So yes. Mama pizza. Now, Mama Minwa.
So we said we could not leave out, because I include that in one of the videos. So that's what we're going to watch next.
Nangwadash kanamam de wagon chinkade zam de matashkut namaing gdondamananik manidok. Oh, bindigek nishonsak, bindigek nok mesak, bindigek dinwendagananik. Gapagit nan manda, oma, skuteosk. Mandates skudens nga na casa. Skudens. Shit kadik. Lagi skanan. Skeme. Kwene nishke. Kwene. Kma. Chidnishing. Ngap. Dinendemoid. Dinendemoid. Kinage. Migwe. Mida shitchip gusin mangit. Manito. Gije manito. Mag agjen mego. Schön mishnang shemanito. Schön mishnang. When we nishing. Kinagego enon the mang. When jishing we temapi. Bimatswinanami. Midash pi kamnigamwin. Bibin the gek. Mishums. The shminoa. We nigiweat. Nigiwek. Abdek we. Nigiwek. Mishumsak. Nigiwek. Sak. Ek nokvesak. Nigiwek. Din daganakwek. Din Bigwetchwinem ginat magek. Nandan sinat teschingasan gishachagadege.
Nishminos are going to be tremendously useful, these little videos. Ispike and I kind of looked at, because he's a teacher, he knows, what's involved in developing our pets. Sometimes we love our pets, then we love our kids. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Yeah, but they are part of our family.
Na how? Nung work with watch with to check that nimush. Woof, woof. Gosh, yes. When you shake that gosh, yes. Ish. Nimush. Gosh, yes. Now, Dick, we have to fish gosh. Cardig and ebos. Gosh, and can see. Ani shake that to up again, Ani shake that to up again, cheese. Sit to that. Ja, ne? Mepto schwem, aber mepto. Ba bim skutto. Mom pidas abdek kakohin. Aptika siu kegi kakohin. Aptika siu kegi musa. No so inan musa. No so inan gego minna so. Apsnen mosh. Abdek des quigish na ton. We not it walk. Tapskapat todas. Shamat gosh, yes. Abdek when quigen mak conduct each can on it. Yes. Look. Jigsaw on it. Me gwetch gignom chigek. Chimmy gwetch espike. Party no engan. Oh no, Apachin segas. Tara Ninga Again Babajatun Chiktakan Nibs Kuna Patino Oh my baget was one Dinner Kadeka Shak Oh Segas But spin bommy indoors is about the doors Tam Cheto the mock
Told her we should do oh jingle beans do 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 do.
Oh, sure, make a set. You and no, not motion.
Oh, na how?
Oh, jingle bees, oh, jingle bees, oh, jingle bees, up jingle bees, oh, jingle bees, oh.
Making these videos, at first we weren't using ours.
Ani Benochiak, me Maba at Barbara_Nolan. Ani Nitskia, Baba Nakbembes chick. Batino Baba, Mibsa, Shredabad. Minobe chick. Beşiktaş'ta muszę dawanes. Aban. Zagi be moje pszkoget. Aha. Areka. Parang itak de beskak. Bas chicken. Kaya go beach with them got. Da, chicken no. Fonige zenibna. Skodeta pa nishke. Ikaw ay abit resi. Bit kam sek, wewip. Wewip. Aha, mimnik. Iguting ko chik tiganing. Aha. Naman ko. Oh, very good. Sita pa. Panak.
I'll discuss, okay, what else should we let the kids know about, understand it. Myself, I went to residential school for 4 years, but president of Xinghua Kinomagega here. So she wasn't able to make it this morning when we had the, say, Madabin, Wait Tan, like all those little commands, Biskunyen, Apishwikwan. So that's all I did with my include Jaganashi Kidwin when you're speaking the language. Red marks, you know, I think that's when I stopped. And so I'm doing for all the residents because he's at that age where he's watching. And I showed him one of the videos when I was down there this summer, and he's looking at that as this wonderment. So here's a chance. So to speak our language to our children. My good friend here, Shirley Roach, was a good person. So anyway, so let's watch the video on residential school.
Aninichkeik. Nangwa chia. Pishki nana bongisya. Nana bongisya. Kensin. Wasa. Genuinchgaswat. Benochiak. Nenda pchigi goya. Inwengi me ame. Gikchen endame. We okinomagasian. Nin be. Msinat dek. Nen kinomagegam boot. O de got tege. Nish nemekweg. Kibishahokuma. Pcheg naten. Kjoskudem gat kenagego. Pcheganajon. Niu de ganabian. Pchegana kepicheshichigan. Epichemam kasabi. Mama nemekwe. Mampigaya nish nemekweg. Mi jato de mama. Onigis etta. Migo binoa. Mage zam gik chimweme. Gik chimwe ang nish nemegishik. Gigiem. Ika. Gigiesio. Kaigi kensi na wishna wishagana she and the man. Naha pamamira.
Actually, it is my story, what I remember. Boy. And the rest, like he's 9 years younger than news about residential school, you know? So we know you went there. And we took that on, that we kind of felt that growing up. But I have one over here. And I grew up with them. My grandparents adopted me. Here, Martina.
7 years, yeah.
Yeah. And I have Gertie over of my family. So with that, then I tried, because I don't want additional work, you know? And so water thing. I mean, Esbeke, he shows me these clothes, her partner came to watch, and it was really cold, right, Anna? The underwater, and there again, Esbeke shows me these clothes. I can't.
Ni benochiak. Me maba at Barbara_Nolan.
Have something. It's Peter. Listen to be a doctor. Yeah. Kidding. I know the Xinghua.
Any of your help?
Language.